This video will show you how to fix PABX that the extension rings out randomly on its own, or if it doesn't allow you call out. So in this video, I have this Panasonic TS824 that the extension port rings out randomly on its own. And sometimes when you try to call out, you can't call some certain numbers. You can only receive numbers into those phones, but you can't call out. So I am going to troubleshoot and see where the problem is coming from. Because this is a Panasonic model 824, I will remove the two screws at the edge here. That will enable me open the front case where the cards are lodged. This is what it looks like inside. This is the cards, because this is a 24 port and the whole port is filled up. That means there are 3 cards in this particular PABS. This is a 3 card and it's interconnected together. I'm going to be making use of a multimeter later to be able to read some of the components on the card. But first thing I want to do is to remove the first card, because I am going to troubleshoot the card and see first if there's any issue with any of the component there. And the way I'm going to do this is by first doing physical examination, and if there is no physical component that is damaged there, I am going to use my multimeter to read some of the components on it, just to be sure that they are working fine the way they ought to. So I'm going to get my multimeter now, and I'm going to read the little capacitors here, because that is what normally fails most of the time. I'm going to read the little capacitors, and just to be sure that none of them has failed, because if they fail, you won't be able to either receive call, and sometimes you can't even call out. When you try to call in, it gives you this beeping tone as if the phone is engaged. So I'm going to set this card aside. I have been able to check the card, and the card is fine. So because the card is interconnected to each other through these connectors, if one of the card goes bad, it will likely affect the other ports on it. You can see the connectors. This is what connects the 2 cards together. The main board originally comes with 8 ports, while you add 2 extra cards of 8 ports each to be able to make it 24 ports, and it is connected using these connectors. So if one of these connectors is bad, it's going to affect the extensions on the PABS. So now I'm going to set aside one card and isolate it. Then I'll get my phone and test to see if the same problem happens when and there is only two cards there. Just like I said earlier, if one of the card goes bad, it will affect the function of the other cards on it because they are interconnected together. So I'm just going to isolate one of the cards and then try and test just to be able to pinpoint where the card that the problem is coming from. So if I remove this card, what I have left is just the main board here. So I'm going to do physical inspection of this card also, just to make sure that everything on this card is fine before I begin to test. So physical inspection, you're going to check the capacitors for swollen capacitors on it, and so at the moment, or burnt components here. At the moment, I can't see anything here. So what I'll just do is just to clean the contact points of these cards and then put them in one after the other while testing them. So I'm going to power on my PABS and put on the switch, connect a phone to it while keeping one card aside. Okay, so this is working fine. There is stone on them. I am going to test the other card from the main board itself. This port is also good. The card is fine. I will now return the other card and see if the problem will occur again. So most of the time, once you clean out the contact points, the connectors, the problem will just be solved. So right now I've been able to clean out the contact points, the connectors of these cards. I'm going to connect them back and I will see if the problem has been solved. Since there is no physical damage and I've tested with my multimeter, the major components there, they are all okay and they are working fine. So let's put the cards back and then test again and see. So all the ports are now working fine, all the extensions are working fine. The ones that was not working before, or that is giving that beeping tone that can't call out and won't allow you to receive call, they are all working fine now. So I think removing the cards and cleaning the contact point was able to sort out the problem. So if yours is having the same issue, one of the first things you do before considering replacing the card or repairing the card is to remove the card, clean out the contact point. Sometimes debris and dust that will build up on the PABS and then stop it from working. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time.